Can you imagine that povidone-iodine, the king of sterilization, is actually a poison? Most only know its germ-killing power, but ignore its usage limits. This means that although it's a disinfectant, it can become a deadly poison. I'm Doubt Buster. Let me help you understand medication. Before povidone-iodine, wound care options were limited. Iodine tincture is highly irritating and causes severe pain when applied, and often leaves scars. Gentian violet has limited effect and barely works on deep bacteria. Then povidone-iodine appeared, becoming the hope of disinfection. Its core advantage is being gentle yet powerful, whether you cut your hand or a child scrapes their skin playing. Povidone-iodine handles it with ease. For pre-surgery disinfection, maintaining sterility during surgery, or postoperative care, povidone-iodine is always there. It has a very wide range of uses. It works on mucous membranes and on large wounds like burns and scalds. As long as the concentration is right, it's safe. Because of these advantages, since its promotion in China in the 1980s, it dominated the disinfection market. It entered every family's first aid kit and became a hospital necessity. It is widely used in medical institutions. As a top clinical disinfectant, many people think povidone-iodine kills germs, so its ingredients must be special. Actually, its mechanism is simple. The povidone-iodine in it acts as an iodine carrier. When it touches skin and wounds, it slowly releases iodine ions. Iodine ions act like little guards, actively seeking out harmful microbes like bacteria and fungi. For bacteria to survive, cell membranes and proteins are key. The membrane protects the interior, while proteins carry out life functions. What iodine ions do best is destroy both of these. They attach to the bacterial membrane, oxidizing the proteins on it, causing it to leak. The nutrients and genetic material spills out. Next, iodine ions enter the bacteria, destroying their DNA structure and robbing them of the ability to reproduce. As the wound cleans up, the release rate slows down, protecting healthy cells from excess iodine. When povidone-iodine kills germs, it forms a protective film. This film not only blocks new bacteria, reducing moisture loss from the wound, creating a good environment for repair. But even with such widespread use, povidone-iodine has its side effects. The most common is an allergy. Someone cut their finger and applied povidone-iodine to disinfect it. Unexpectedly, soon after, their palm became red and itchy. It spread to the whole body, causing difficulty breathing. They were diagnosed with anaphylactic SOC from iodine allergy. Only after emergency treatment were they out of danger. Besides allergies, long-term use of high concentrations can cause iodine poisoning, leading to dizziness, fatigue, and an enlarged thyroid, often causes pigmentation. Many people, after healing, find that the area where they applied povidone-iodine has a brown mark. Although this mark usually fades after a few months, on areas like the face, it can affect appearance. Also, although povidone-iodine is versatile but cannot mix with other disinfectants, if mixed with mercurochrome, iodine and mercury ions will combine into toxic mercuric iodide. It can be absorbed through skin or enter the body through wounds, which can be life-threatening. If mixed with chlorine disinfectants, like bleach or toilet cleaner, it releases toxic chlorine gas. It can cause chlorine poisoning, pulmonary edema, and suffocation. It shouldn't touch alkaline substances, like soap or heavy metals. These destroy its active ingredients, reducing its disinfecting power, and may produce harmful substances. Povidone-iodine is a major advance. Its strength lies in being effective, gentle, and versatile. Its harm often comes from misuse and overuse. Before using it, always check for allergic reactions. For different body parts, choose the right concentration. Never use it in the eyes or deep ear canals. Don't mix with other medications. If you feel unwell after use, seek medical help promptly. No disinfectant is absolutely safe. Only correct usage is. Use it scientifically when needed, to protect health and avoid risks. Health is vital. Use medicine wisely. Use every bottle correctly.